It's Red Rocket Day.
Red Rocket Day. No, not that Red Rocket.
Oh, no? What's up, everybody? Matthew and I are working on our Red Rockets, and today we got the sandblaster going. The most satisfying thing I've ever used in my life, probably.
Hell yeah. It is really nice having one of those things.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna show you how to use it and do a little before and after. I got some parts. I did one already. I'm not gonna lie. All you Miata bros know what these are. So this one is done. I just did a little test run. And here's the poopy parts. It's gonna go in. Look at that caca. It's no good.
your header has a spot for the EGR tube?
Boy, it sure does.
Yeah. All right.
Yep. I got a Racing Beat header up there. Oh, that's zoomed out. In the box. Hope it's the right one. Didn't open it yet.
Sick. So we'll be done today, right? With the car?
Yeah, it should be running today.
Yeah. Perfect.
I want to head over to the sandblaster and get it running.
Yeah. Let's do this. Dude, what's that car behind you?
Whoa! Race car status. Flat tire status. We're live, Matthew?
Yeah, we're live.
All right. So, sandblasters are way easier to hook up than I thought it was going to be. All you need is a air hose going in and out for the pedal. You need electricity, obviously, and a vacuum on the suck side. Note that.
The suck side.
One on the suck side.
We weren't sure if we wanted to suck or blow.
Sometimes you just don't know what kind of mood you're in. So, what should I put in here first? Maybe this one?
Yeah, do the.
Got a bunch of.
That's the housing for the thermostat.
Yeah, it's got a bunch of soot on it. I'm gonna go in this end. Want to take a peek in there?
Is it dusty?
It's Dusty Nation.
Oh yes.
Yep. Should probably put a mask on for this.
Oh yeah, or just don't breathe in.
Or don't breathe. Probably not healthy.
Yeah, I'm sure that stuff causes cancer or something.
Yep. So I don't know if you can see in there. Probably not.
No, you can't really see.
Okay, let's just get a close-up of what it looks like now, and then I'll do it, and then we'll get a close-up of after. Do you see?
Oh, let's see.
How does it look? No good.
Got some oxidation.
I'm breathing all this stuff in.
Oh yeah.
All right.
The next part's gonna be noisy. Dusty in there.
V Dusty.
All right, let's see how it came out.
Take a deep breath. Pretty good.
Oh, that's nice.
Good and clean.
Ready for paint.
Yep. We'll wipe it down and take her outside for paint.
Sick.
This is the greatest thing I've ever done in my life. I'm gonna start sandblasting everything I see.
Yep. Somebody sandblaster M3, and then we could just you know primer it.
One of Quinn's work wheels. We could.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Needs a refresh. You do good job. You have experience?
I have experience, yes. I mean, I don't care how perfect it looks. I just really want it to
look black nut.
Prevent it from rusting and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Black nut.
It does look not black.
Brian, I'm gonna start yelling at you. Okay?
Me?
Yes. Not everything doesn't have to be perfect.
Yes, it does.
Sometimes you just gotta get shit done.
What's going on here?
You know me though.
Boys, let's settle this the good old-fashioned way here. What can we do here? What's the dilemma?
I think we just need to buckle down and put some shit on this engine.
There's a couple. There's three different types of situations here. There's lose-lose.
Yep.
Win-lose. Win-win. So what's the problem?
The problem is this. Not everything has to be perfect.
Okay.
Life's not perfect.
That's very true.
Neither are engines.
Neither are people.
Yep.
I gotta stop being so now.
Okay. What's up here?
Yeah.
Well, I just want this to run one day.
Yeah.
It's another winter. Another whole year is going by.
Listen, I'm a problem solver. I'm not a fucking genie. Okay. So let's focus.
Oh no! Here's the issue.
Oh my god.
We got freaking cam caps all over the place.
So I just wanted to start putting stuff together on this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Let's do it.
So what's the problem?
We don't have to have the lighting perfect and like.
Oh, I'm standing in front of
Right
Lisa.
in front of Lisa.
Yeah, right there.
Lisa, you never shine so bright.
Like an angel.
All right, so we're gonna install some cam seals right now.
We're gonna attack. Matthew's gonna show you how to do cam seals.
I thought somebody needed their prostate checked.
You're always ready.
No, that's not what this. I'm gonna go back to work on the RX-8.
All right.
All right. Peace out, Cub Scouts.
Yeah, go fix those Apex seals.
They're actually fine, buddy.
Yeah. No, you premix.
I know you want this to break down because you don't want me to smoke your Jenny with it.
Jenna.
Oh, we gotta set that up.
Oh, it's happening.
Let's do it tomorrow.
Yeah. Saturday.
Oh, Saturday.
I
Yeah.
have to work tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Like a normal human
sucker.
being. You bros in your little holidays, midweek holidays.
I worked 42 hours this week.
Yeah.
All right, focus, Matthew.
Yeah, I know.
Focus.
All right, where are your seals?
All right.
Where's your seals?
We gotta tell them what we're doing. We're doing cam
We're
seals.
putting cam seals. We did
and a valve cover.
We did a cast seal. All right, cast O-ring.
Okay.
Yep. You just take these bolts off. You take the thing off. You take the O-ring off, and you put the new O-ring on. That's it.
Okay.
That's all the tutorial they need.
All right. All right.
All right, let's go.
Let's hit it.
Yes. All right. Where are your seals? Not those old.
Under Lisa's
Yep.
skirt.
Under Lisa. There we go. So there's a tool there that we don't need because we just took the caps off.
Good thing I bought that tool. Take it off, Matthew. You jumped the gun.
All right. Here's the cam seal.
Okay.
And we're just gonna pop this thing on. It's got a spring.
Mm-hmm.
Just make it even.
Anything to note here?
Oh.
The lip faces that way.
Yeah, well, if you're putting it on, you can see the spring. Don't touch an engine.
We're trying to build the audience's confidence here, Matthew.
Yep.
You guys get in here and you just tackle it.
Yeah, and maybe I don't do it right the first time, but I did it.
Make sure you put JB weld in those cam seals, okay?
Yes. That's in the Mazda manual to put JB weld.
I think it says apply liberal amounts, so don't be shy.
You heard it here first.
All right. Now,
Okay.
Now let's torque him down. How many foot-pounds was this?
I was gonna ask you.
35.
35
Is it?
35 man-pounds. No.
man-pounds.
That's too much.
I think those are 10 foot-pounds.
I was gonna say 35 is maybe too
I'm gonna
much.
snug him a little bit.
Whoa.
Is that Tinder?
Tinder's blasting off.
You crazy single wildcat.
I forgot how bad Shannon is in low light.
You want my 35 1.4 and my Shannon?
Does it go on this body?
No, you'd have to take my Shannon.
Oh, on your
Well,
Shannon.
it can, but it would crop in quite a bit.
True.
You need FF gang.
Okay, so Matthew, pop the seals on, lip facing that way, just snug in the caps, and then we're gonna torque it to, so the manual says to torque these to 100 to 125 inch-pounds.
What does that relate to in pounds, Brian?
So we're gonna do 10 foot-pounds.
Should do 11.
11?
Juan for good luck.
All right, Juan for good luck.
This is a ricer application.
There we go. One extra.
The lowest this torque wrench goes is to 10, so we're gonna do 11.
There we go. There's 11.
That's 11. Easy, buddy.
There's 11.
There's 11.
Yeah, this is aluminum that we're torquing this into. I like the close shots to make things look bigger.
Oh, you mean is my camera close enough?
Yeah.
I thought you meant like, is it tight enough
Oh.
for my...
Yeah, I was talking about your camera. There you go. Those are 11. We're torqued.
Torqued.
Torqued. Do we have sound now, Benial?
We have sound now.
I've also got a red battery that's blinking.
That's right. She'll stay strong.
What happened? I do want a manual focus on this one. Where's my ring?
Do you see?
Here, hold it in front of the light. See how much that bolt bent? That was like 11 foot-pounds.
Yeah, and it's stretched out.
Yeah.
So, look at Quinn's pile here.
Yeah, we got Quinn's pile of bolts, Miata bolts.
We got 2 new good ones in there. Torqued to 11 foot-pounds we did.
Hold on, Shane's being a slut.
Oh, always.
Always being a slut.
I hear
rotary, yeah, I hear rotary.
So what's next?
Next we got the water pump and the jacket, the water jacket, right? Jaqueta. And the water pump, we cleaned up the mating surface is good. It's really just a gasket and water pump. Torque it down to spec. We got our specs right here.
What's the water pump specs?
I don't know, I haven't looked yet.
So we got the water pump gasket on. Orientated. Is that a word? Orientated?
Yeah, it's orientated correctly.
It's orientated correctly. Sounds weird.
There she is. Water pump's on.
Alright, kiddos. That's it for this one. I was excited about getting the sandblaster running, so I just wanted to do a quick video on this. We're gonna get these parts cleaned up, painted, and we're gonna continue on Project Miata. Stay tuned for the next one.